So here's a good question. Currently, NAFTA has a feature for manufacturer or producer affidavits, where you can issue one without issuing the certificate and then certify. So that way customers or somebody else can say, yeah, we have a manufacturer's affidavit here, producer's affidavit, and it's okay. We're going to go ahead and then qualify for USMCA. Really, the whole point of this idea that you can provide certification as the producer, importer, or exporter really gets away from the idea of this manufacturer or producer affidavit. So in that case, you're going to be completing and then have options as, available to the importing authorities upon request. That make sure you keep some confidentiality if you want. So the importer in probably this scenario will be unknown. And then if somebody else wants to issue a larger one, we'll be able to use your certificate as cause for them to issue their certificate.